Annabelle, you're supposed to be eating, and you have fallen asleep. Yes, you have. What do you think about that? What do you think about that? Huh, sleepy girl? You're falling asleep, and now you're not eating. Yeah? What about that? What are you going to do about that? Are you going to wake up and eat? Are you going to wake up and eat, huh, little one? Are you going to wake up and eat? Huh? Yeah. Wake up and eat. What are you going to do? Are you going to wake up and eat? Wake up and eat for Mommy? Huh? How comatose, baby? You getting ready to wake up? Okay.